Superior performance. That's what you want. That's what you need from Caterpillar. Whether you're talking hydraulics, transmissions, or engines. Tolerances between moving parts have decreased, in some cases to as small as 3 microns. So superior filtration has become extremely important. And superior filtration will help you to avoid damage to critical engine and machine components. Advanced Filtration Systems Incorporated, or AFSI, manufactures CAT liquid filters in Champaign, Illinois, and near the Czech Republic city of Most. Both facilities use highly automated assembly systems to ensure that all CAT filters meet your expectations when it comes to quality and performance. At AFSI, our focus on quality comes through in the many unique processes we employ to meet Caterpillar's stringent filtration requirements. That quality begins with the paper media. We require specific grades of media for hydraulic, lube, and fuel filters to optimize each filter's efficiency and life. You lose valuable filtering area, or life, when the pleats in a finished filter bunch together. Filters manufactured at AFSI have uniform spacing between pleats, rigidly held by acrylic beading. CAT filters are made with a non-metallic center tube to eliminate the possibility of metal shavings being built into the filter. The nylon-reinforced center tube is also 30% stronger than metal tubes. Good filters trap and hold contaminants. CAT filters use spiral roving to keep pleats in place. Will-fit filters without this feature allow pleats to flex and move. Spiral roving minimizes flexing or movement of the pleats, which in turn provides better filtering of contaminants. An ultraviolet light cures resin on the fiberglass strand, so it is firmly attached to the pleats. Another unique feature of CAT liquid filters is the polyurethane end cap. After the media is dried, the polyurethane mixture is poured into molds, and the filter pack is placed in the mixture. The polyurethane is absorbed into the media for an integral bond. A second end cap is molded onto the opposite end, and the end caps are cured in an oven. Polyurethane end caps help to eliminate gaps between the end cap and the media that would allow contaminants to bypass the filter. At this stage of the process, an element has been produced. If it is used alone as a cartridge filter, identifying information is printed on the end cap, or the element can be inserted into a can to begin producing a spin-on filter. The cartridge goes through laser and visual inspections to ensure parts meet specifications. From there, aluminum top plates are oriented for insertion on the cartridge. A computer-aided camera allows only the correct top plates with proper diameter and thread pitch to enter the assembly line. The can, like the media, is manufactured to Caterpillar specifications. The one-piece design and heavy-gauge metal allow greater burst pressures and fatigue resistance than two-piece cans. To prevent leakage that can occur in two-piece cans, we use a spin-forming process. With the filter in its final shape, it moves to the painting process. The paint is a powder coating that adheres to the can with an electrostatic charge. As the paint is baked onto the cans, the bond between paint and metal becomes permanent. After cooling, filter identification is printed on the can. Finally, a gasket is inserted into a groove in the top plate. Cans are pressurized, and transducers inspect for any seal leaks. Quality assurance employees can check more than 60 audit points before, during, and after assembly. AFSI conducts a battery of tests on incoming materials and components to ensure only the highest quality materials are used. Diagnostic checks that are made during assembly allow operators to monitor quality and adjust processes if needed. Finished filters undergo final testing to ensure the highest quality products are delivered to our customers. Consistency. That's what you need when choosing filters. Filters can be as little as 1% of overall machine owning and operating costs. Using will-fit filters just to save a fraction of that 1% could put an entire operation at risk. So compare before you compromise. To protect your equipment, your best choice is a filter that will consistently offer excellent contamination control. These filters, manufactured exclusively for Caterpillar, offer that consistency by meeting every stringent Caterpillar requirement. You can be sure you'll get quality performance every time you open a new Cat filter.